In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Zoom name before joining a meeting. This works whether you're using the Zoom desktop app or the web version. Let's start with the desktop app on Windows, Mac or Linux. Instead of clicking a meeting link directly, first open the Zoom app. On the main screen, click Join. A box will appear asking for the meeting ID or link. Below that, you'll see a field for your name. Simply type the name you want others to see in the meeting. If you don't want Zoom to remember this name for future meetings, just make sure the option to remember your name is turned off. Once your details are set, click Join and you'll enter the meeting with your updated display name. Now let's look at how to do this from the Zoom web portal, which is useful if you want to permanently update your name. Sign into your Zoom account in your browser, then click My Account in the top right corner. This takes you to your profile page. Here you'll see your name with an edit option beside it. Click Edit, update your display name, then click Save. From now on, this will be the default name shown in all your meetings. And that's it. Whether you want a one-time name change or a permanent update, Zoom makes it quick and easy to control how your name appears in meetings. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped. See you in the next video.